YouTubers, it's another cloudy kind of a day. Going to Eugene, going to the dinner I go to once a month if I can make it. Last month I tried, and the weather turned me around due to turbulence, strong headwinds. Today, I think I'll only be dealing with strong headwinds. Hopefully not the turbulence I experienced last time. At any rate, going down to Eugene. We're going to a party, and we're going to park our aircraft in a fairly large corporate hangar right next to a really pretty jet. Talk to you more about that later. So as you can see, Miss Kitty's back, and she's doing very well.
Traffic, Skyhawk 1683 Charlie, we're 3 miles to the north at 2,000, main in the area. Last call, road traffic.
She got repaired by about the middle of November, and we had to get a ferry permit to get her back to Bremerton so that we could accomplish our condition inspection, which was done in December, first part of December there. And the repairs went very, very well on the machine. Synergy down in Eugene, Oregon did the work.
This is Vaden. He owns the place. Tell us about Synergy, Vaden.
We're here to help guys like Art out. That's what we do primarily. Build assist and really helping you guys get your airplanes back in the air. That's our key. Not a lot of folks know a bunch about
that being the airplane getting back into the air now.
Yeah, the experimentals are a trick for a lot of folks. You know, they just, unfortunately, there's a lot of mechanics that just don't know enough about them. This is what we do, you know, so we're able perfectly to come in and situation like this and help get you back where you need to be and square you away.
Yeah. And we came up with a few upgrades, so we have a new prop, new hub. The gearbox went to California for an inspection, and nothing was wrong. Crankshaft got inspected as well, and it also is okay, so I'm pretty happy with the Sprag clutch that is in the 912 ULS engine. It saved the day for us. And we got a new and stronger nose wheel fork. We also got a new exhaust system, which would make oil temperatures cooler in the climb during a hot summer day. So all in all, Miss Kitty here is looking pretty good. Even Keith was impressed with the paint job they did on our new lower cowling. So what I do in the meantime, I haven't flown this aircraft. I flew it several times last month, but that was checking out the new owner. The previous owner who ran the aircraft off the runway sold his share to a fellow by the name of Jeff. Jeff is an accomplished aviator. He's an ex-Navy helicopter pilot with about 2,000 hours of flying time, doing some very interesting work offshore. Flew an unusual kind of a helicopter. It's a Cayman, and not the twin rotor Cayman that you're suspecting. It's I believe it's a twin engine single rotor. And time is 1:30. So we got 30 inches of manifold. Off the ground. Buffs are coming up. So this is always an interesting stretch of the trip right here, crossing the Columbia River. To the left down the river is Portland. To the right, Astoria, going out that direction there, Astoria. And then beyond Astoria is Japan. So I was talking a while back on departure about what I've been doing with myself over the last 6 months or so. And the answer to the question is that I've been trying to stay active with the Experimental Aircraft Association there at Bremerton. We've got some very fine fellows there. We got a project we're thinking about. We're thinking about building a Murphy Renegade. There's one that's partially completed that we are about to start work on it. One of the things things about the EAA in Bremerton. Pretty forward-leaning as far as the Young Eagles program is concerned, and they're also wanting to get involved with some STEM curriculum and getting the kids involved in doing some work on the aircraft and such. They have kind of a neat little PC simulator with multiple screens that they can use to help the kids with the basics. So one of the things that happened is that the building that we're in for the EAA is a shared building between us, the EAA, and the Civil Air Patrol. I think they call themselves Squadron 51 or something like that. They have a little alien on their patch. They're cool kids, and they're great folks, this AAP there. At any rate, that facility is remodeled, repurposed old fire station at the Bremerton Airport. And we have this thing that we call the Bremerton Aviation Center for Excellence Base is what we call it. And basically, this is where we're going to start the STEM curriculum.
London traffic, 36 Alpha is 1 mile left 45. We have you inside 36 Alpha. We're going to do a right 360 and give you some room. Hey, thank you.
Bravo, I did.
Okay.
RV 412 Sierra Bravo, Eugene Ground. Is that Hollis Lane that you're going to?
Affirmative.
Number 2 Sierra Bravo, taxi to Hollis Lane via Charlie.
Hollis Lane via Charlie, 2 Sierra Bravo.
Eugene Ground, Cessna 3535 Quebec, ready to taxi with Sierra.
Copy 412 Sierra Bravo, Eugene Tower, wind 360 at 7, on course approved, runway 34 left at Alpha 5, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 2 Sierra Bravo, Roger.